Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. So, I got this in response. I'm doing a response to a question that someone asked about these spikes, right? So, this has been kind of a popular tutorial for me that of doing like the spikes on an object. But one of the problems I'm finding here is it's floating out in space, right? This is something where if we were to scale the elements, you see right here, that we can scale that, but the problem is when we scale it, it floats or it goes into the mesh, whatever, you know? So I had to look up this episode or this answer, right? And what I found was that on the scale elements, there is a center node, and then on the cone, we have these different things. I tried things such as bounding boxes and seeing how that would work, looking up some solutions, and then today I just tried this. So if I take the bottom of the cone and put it to center right there, then watch what happens. Now we don't have the problem of it floating out in space, okay? So anyway, I wanted to show you that really quick little quick tip on an answer to a question from the community. How do you get that anchored? And there's your answer. Let me know what you think of this episode and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching Nathan's 3D Factory. Have a great day, guys.